Today, we'll be showing you how to install your 48V Husky 2s inside your golf cart. After setting your batteries in the battery bay, connect the negative terminal of the second battery to the negative terminal of the first battery using the parallel cable. Also connect the negative cables from the motor controller and charger to the first battery. Use the rubber covers to protect these terminals. Now we'll do the same with the positive terminals. Connect the positive terminal of the second battery to the positive terminal of the first battery using the parallel cable. Also be sure to connect the positive cables from the motor controller and charger to the second battery. Make sure to tighten and secure your connections. Do not over-tighten these connections to avoid rupturing the studs. Again, use the rubber covers to protect these terminals. Connect the 48V Husky 2 parallel COM cable between the COM ports of the first and second battery. Finally, install the battery meter to the COM port of the first battery, power on the batteries, and the meter should turn on. Make sure the first battery has ID 1 and the second battery has ID 2. Please refer to the user manual in order to change the battery IDs. Thank you for watching our 48V Husky 2 golf cart install video. To learn more about the 48V Husky 2, click the link in the description below. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more awesome content, and check us out at BigBattery.com for all your energy solutions.